here's a small block Ford. Just got done running it and give you a description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got the Pro-Am intake manifold, Holley throttle body, Holley Terminator X, brake system. Got the March serpentine belt setup for our custom ground camshafts. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500 for 393 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 421. Good and flat there. Peaks horsepower 484. So we rated at 500. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off there, and I think it's a car side job, and I think we're installing it, so we'll get it rolled over there and have a great day.